Want to get the plates and stuff?
Not yet. Let me just clean up a little bit, okay? So we have another minute with the potatoes.
Minute.
So how's your experience been on your cooking show?
Good.
Yeah? What'd you learn?
I learned how to cook more.
Yeah?
And I like to cook a lot.
Really? That's fantastic. Look at that beautiful face. You're so cute. You're so cute. Should we call Aaron and Sydney to dish up?
Yeah.
Okay, you want to go get them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Aaron and Sydney. You guys sit down. I'm gonna get the.
And here's my oldest child.
Hello everyone. 5 years from now I'll be looking at this past and watch the ways I am.
And this is my brother. This handsome guy. Dang handsome. Sweetheart, you ready? Go. The last thing we need to do is put butter in the mashed potatoes, okay?
Okay, butter.
Butter. Why don't you get another spoon?
Big.
Big is fine. Just take a nice scoop, bigger than that. There you go, that's good enough.
That good?
A little bit more. Okay, that's fine. Stir it in there. If you just stir it, it'll automatically melt.
So we can stir until it's done.
Think that's good?
Yeah.
Okay. So leave the spoon in there so they can use that to dish themselves. I'm gonna
And
take.
then we're gonna get the forks and stuff.
Okay. Why don't you get some larger forks for Sydney and Aaron? No, go ahead.
Oh, and you. And then one.
Are we all done?
Yeah.
You think so? I think so too. Let's tell our viewers what we made.
We made chicken, salad, and potatoes for our dinner.
That's right. Tell them what show they're watching.
They are watching Simone and Daddy's show.
Nice.
Thank you for coming to watch.